To share your QR single-use visitor pass, tap the Share button. You can choose to share the pass via text message or email. When sending by text, you may manually enter a phone number, search for a contact using the search field, or scroll through your contacts to select a recipient. Then, press Send Visitor Pass. Then send the text message. The same options apply when sending by email. You can manually enter an email address, search your contacts, or scroll through your contact list to select the desired recipient. The recipient will receive a text or email containing a link to access their QR temporary visitor pass. They can view the visitor pass name, the start and end date, and which gate or gates they have access to. When the guest arrives at the property, they can tap on Guest QR Code and then scan their QR code for access.